Moving from spreadsheets to a real database system is one of the most important transitions you will make as an aspiring business analyst. Once you connect to the server, on the left, you will see the schemas panel. Think of a schema as a folder inside which different data tables exist, similar to how we keep multiple sheets inside an Excel workbook. Excel is in our comfort zone, in which we simply open a file, see rows and columns, type in numbers, and start analyzing. It feels instant and effortless. But it's different in case of a database. Now that we have a schema, let's build the table. Right-click the Tables folder and then Create Table. Database is not just a file, it is a system designed to handle multiple read-write operations at once, protect the data from corruption, manage large volumes, and serve different teams simultaneously. A column in a database is just like a column in Excel. But here, we get to set rules for each one, which ensures data integrity. That's why it takes a few more steps to operate a database compared to double-clicking an Excel file. Imagine 100 people trying to update the same sheet at the same time, or millions of rows of customer transactions, or a retail chain where every sale updates stock in real time. A spreadsheet simply cannot carry that weight. While the environment is different, the analytical thinking does not change. If you know how to filter rows in Excel, you already understand what a where clause does. If you've created a pivot table, you already understand group by. Now that our table exists, let's insert some records. This is like typing rows in Excel, but here we'll do it using a SQL statement. While spreadsheets perform well for simple, small-scale tasks, several structural and technical drawbacks limit their suitability when data complexity or scale increases. Whereas, relational databases are built to manage large volumes of data, enforce data integrity, and support concurrent access by multiple users. Think of MySQL as a new, sturdier, and more organized version of Excel built for serious business data. When this query is run, the data is saved permanently inside the database. Unlike Excel, where a crash can erase everything, MySQL locks in the data reliably.